LED lights can make a huge difference. As you can see, I installed courtesy lights for the footwells and also for the storage area. Since I have that sound bar, I installed LEDs. They're not the greatest quality, but regardless, they make a huge difference. The original dome light is behind this panel here, and I use that wiring to connect the light, so I have full control whenever the door jamb switch is pressed in. They go off, and then when you open the door, they come on. And finally, what I did, I used the light fixture from the storage area, and I moved it up to the T-bar. And again, I'm using an LED bulb, and boy, that makes a huge difference. These cars are notorious for being very dark inside. I think they added the dome light in '77. Now, the original light is recessed. Mine, of course, it just sits right on top. You can modify this, but I didn't want to waste a lot of time doing that. So I just kind of attached it on the surface. And as you can see, there's a little bit of light that kind of sort of leaks out of there, but that's not a big deal. For the most part, it's been a great addition, and it's something that I think everyone should do. If you have one of these cars, they are very, very dark inside, so anything you can do to improve that is going to be great. And I strongly recommend using LED bulbs. Incandescent bulbs get very, very hot, so that is a danger. And you know, if you touch one of those, you can really burn your hand. These things, they remain pretty much cold. So, but anyway, I wanted to share that with you in case you want to do this must-do improvement to your C3. I also have a detailed video on how to install an overhead dome light in your C3 Corvette if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.